to Vlogmas Day 21. Me and Aidan have just wrapped presents, which you'll have just seen, for all of his family and from him because he needed some help. And now we're just heading to mine. Stop! Now we're just heading to mine. I've completely forgot to say in yesterday's vlog, I bought this. These are my favourite bars. If you're new, you might not have seen, but basically these Vigo bars are like vegan chocolate bars, and honestly they're my favourite things ever. The only reason I don't buy them all the time is because they're £2 each, which seems ridiculous.
Catch them on my Amazon wish list, buy me things if you want.
Honestly, like seriously, like I know they're £2, which a lot of people will be like, what the hell? But honestly, like I love them that much that I treat myself to them every now and again. I just want a constant supply of these, but they're unfortunately £2. I love these more than any other chocolate bar in the world, like more than Cadbury's, more than anything. Like honestly, that's how much I love them. And that is the reason why I buy them. Do you know what I mean? It's not because I'm like, oh fuck it, like let's buy a £2 chocolate bar, why not, treat myself. It's actually because like they're my favourite chocolate bars in the world. And they're vegan, which is obviously fab, my fave. I just wanted to shout it out because it's my favourite thing in the world and I'm going to get Aidan to try it. And I like it as well because I don't eat the whole thing in one go because it's so rich. The flavour is hazelnut, whole hazelnut chocolate bar, just in case anyone, I didn't really explain that, but that's the flavour. And you can get them, I always buy mine from Holland and Barrett because there's one in Lincoln, there's one near me here. But yeah, I'm just going to get Aidan to try it. Gonna love it. Aidan loves hazelnut, so I know you're gonna fall in love as well. Sorry for the gross bedding. I've just got this huge parcel. I'll put a boomerang on the screen of what Aidan just took of me, but it was so heavy, and it's basically loads of stuff from Herbalife, which you guys will have seen me work with before because I'm doing a 21-day challenge in January for all of like the fitness stuff, like when everyone's like trying to get a bit fitter and it's like everyone's New Year's resolution stuff. And it's with this woman called Samantha Clayton, who is an ex-Olympic athlete. She's basically running a challenge and collaborating with them, and I'm taking part. So thank you very much to Immediate PR and Herbalife for sending these things over. It's literally so heavy. So we've got some vanilla protein drink mix, then their Formula 1 vanilla flavour. They're called healthy meals, but I literally use them as protein shakes as well. And then I actually have a chocolate one here too, which I haven't tried before, which I'm very excited for. I've got this herbal aloe concentrate drink, which I know Hattie will absolutely love. She loves stuff like this, so I can't wait to surprise her with that. Then I have 2 little tea extracts. This one's raspberry flavour, this one's peach flavour. I really love fruit teas, and so do Hattie and Megan, so they'll love them too when I take them back to the house. Then they've sent me over a nice like Herbalife gym top, which I'll be wearing a lot when I go back to the gym in January. Then these are mine and Megan's favourite protein bars. These ones are vanilla almond flavour, and this is chocolate peanut flavour. And there's loads in there, 14 bars. Then we've got 2 chocolate flavoured healthy meal bars, which I actually said over email that I really like the look of these, and they've actually sent 2 packets over, which is so kind. And then they've sent over another protein shaker and a protein bottle, which I'm sure people will get some use out of at some point. We've literally got tons of them. But yeah, thank you very much Immediate PR and Herbalife again, that's absolutely fab. And then I also entered their giveaway because they always give away every Christmas, like they do a little festive competition. You might have seen the photo, I'll pop it on the screen, that I did on Instagram, like promoting their shakes and like making it all cutesy and Christmassy, because they had their apple cinnamon or whatever it was flavour, and I entered the competition and I didn't win, but they've sent out these cute like little decorations to say thank you for entering, and I thought that's so cute because we can pop that on the tree now. That's adorable. And then finally my photos came from Printiki. They're actually stunning, like the photos that all came. I've got all of like my Christmas ones printed out so I can get them in to the scrapbook ASAP. We need to finish our Paris scrapbook, Aid. Yeah, he's ignoring me. But yeah, I got some like normal 6x4 And then I got some of the cute like retro prints. I got some photos of like me in outfits and stuff because I want to make like a little like fashion evolution like book thing, because I really like had that idea in my head, and I was like, oh, I could show my kids like what I wore like throughout the years. I don't know, just something I thought of. Then like loads of photos from the Christmas market. So if you're looking for a brand that do like retro prints, then head over to Printiki. I'll leave it down below, and I think I have a code for like free delivery or something if anyone fancies it. But I always get my photos printed out every month because I think it's so important to have like a hard copy of photos, and they're fab for like my scrapbooks and stuff. So yeah, that's my little deliveries for the day. And now me and Aidan are going to get going with wrapping my presents and sorting out this mess. So me and Aidan just went to drop off my Insta giveaway prize at the post office. We're just waiting for my dad to make us pasta. I just thought I'd show you some of the cutesy little lights outside. We're just going to continue wrapping parcels until I finish doing my whole family. Right, so me and Aidan are just heading to my nan's. We really wanted to go before Aidan goes away. He's going to Ireland for Christmas because half his family live there. So we're doing all of our festivities beforehand. So Sunday, me and Aidan are actually having our Christmas day, which will be fun because we're doing like a whole thing like me, Megan and Hattie did. We're like making our own dinner. We need to, yeah, we need to get crackers because me, Megan and Hattie just couldn't afford it at the time, but we'll just fuck it and do it. So we need Christmas crackers. What else? Oh, we should have brought that. I had loads of like Christmas napkins left over from the other day. We should have brought them. We've got like some snacky bits, but maybe some more snacks. The rest of our roast dinner, we're having corn roast again, which my mum bought us the other day. Right, yeah. What else was I going to say? Oh, and we're also doing like gift exchange, so I'll film us like opening our presents and stuff, which will be fun. Yeah, I've just wrapped up all my presents. Aidan's had a little nap on my bed whilst I was doing it. Yeah. So I wrapped up all of my presents for my whole family, which has made me feel a lot better. I've only got 4 presents left that are coming, that are all for Aidan, and even if some of them don't come, like he's having his Christmas when he comes back like properly, so it'll be fine and he can just have some extra presents then. You've got plenty to open on our little Christmas day anyway. And then, oh my god, I haven't spoke to the vlog about Mowgli. Do it. Wait, shall I mouth it and you say it? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Mowgli!
Me and Aidan tried watching the Mowgli film that's on Netflix, and it's supposed to be like, is it like a prequel sort of like thing, or like a different version of the Jungle Book? And it is
not a prequel, it's a different version.
It's just tragic, isn't it? Like we actually watched for like 25 minutes, I'd say. I think it was 25, and we just were like, no way. Like we're both massive fans of like the actual Jungle Book and the one that was released last year.
The other live action.
That was really good. The live action. I hate how they called it that because obviously the Mowgli was live action, but the animals you didn't actually get up there to sing around, did you?
I think that's what they've tried to do.
But yeah, anyway, this Mowgli film, honestly, I do not know how anyone can watch it with a straight face or like seriously. It is tragic. Like honestly, me and Aidan were pissing ourselves. Like all of the animals, like, especially Baloo, his like jaw was swinging. He looked like he was
He looked like he was on crack.
Yeah, Baloo looked like he was on crack. His jaw was swinging, and he was like, his voice, it was so gruff and aggressive. I was like, that's not Baloo, man.
Funny, right?
Yeah, it was just a bit weird, and just all of, I don't know, it was just not right. So we just turned it off after 25 minutes and watched Rick and Morty instead, wasn't it? Yeah, not that that's like, so that's quality. Like, so we switched over to some better quality Rick and Morty. We're almost at my nan's now, and we've brought all of the presents around because I'm having my Christmas at nan's house. And we're all like, literally me, mum, dad and my brother are all sleeping around my nan's on Christmas Eve. So we're gonna bring, like, I brought all my presents around here just to keep under the tree and stuff. So yeah, it'll be really nice. Oh yeah, and my little cousin, I don't know if she's sleeping around actually. I always say little cousin and forget that she's 12. Like she's almost 13 technically. But she's still my little cousin. They always come around on Christmas obviously, but we're not sure if they're sleeping around either. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm just so excited for everyone to open my presents. Like, I love that feeling. Like ever since I started buying presents over the past few years, like, I just love like watching other people open stuff that I bought them. It's my favourite thing ever. Especially you. I promise Aidan's not this grumpy. He just literally hates being on camera. don't you? He hates his voice being on show, his face being on show. He just dislikes the camera because he cares about his pride too much. Nana and Grandad's house is so cute. Oh, it's so festive and cute. If you might have seen the other day, it's so cutesy.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney.
Me and Aidan have just come back from Tesco. Oh, a couple of people have agreed with you and it's making me feel sick. I just commented wrong. 2. I just commented wrong.
How many Percy Pigs?
3.
Fuck off, 3. I'm checking.
Yeah, the 3. It's 3-2 Percy Pigs. Make sure you go comment on yesterday's video because there was a massive sweet debate between me and Aidan and it was getting me really angry.
What did that? You know? From M&S.
He doesn't know. He doesn't really.
Debatable what was
Well,
better.
Louis and your mum agreed with me.
Yeah, just because they won't disagree with me.
Yeah, Aidan's brother and mum agreed with me as well. Percy Pigs are way better. The weird Colin the Caterpillar sweet worms. The worms that you can get from anywhere. You can get them from anywhere, like little fruity worms, can't you? But you can get fruity worms from everywhere. I just don't get it. Yeah, you can get vegetarian fruity worms from alternative places too. It's not just M&S that do fruity worm
Percy Pigs are fucking anyway. They're like Haribos, they have the foam in them.
Not at all. They have 2 different textures. They're really lovely and juicy.
Like the Haribos have 2 different textures.
No, like the fruity worms are just one solid, boring.
The Percy Pigs are Colin the Caterpillar.
Colin the Caterpillar.
Gummy worms.
Gummy worms. God, I'm fuming. Good, I'm glad David's agreed with me. What an absolute legend. Gummy worms over Percy Pigs. Thank you for everyone supporting the Percy Pigs. I really appreciate it. The debate is still ongoing and it's ruining my life on the daily basis. But anyway, back to things that are more important. This is what me and Aidan got for our roast. We've already got we've got all of our vegetables, and we just decided to get some extra things that we didn't have in. So we've got some Aunt Bessie's roast potatoes, some Aunt Bessie's honey glazed parsnips. I've got some massive Yorkshire puddings because Aidan again is really weird and doesn't like Yorkshire puddings.
I'm impartial to them.
And then we have a corn roast, which is actually amazing. So thank you to everyone who recommended that because me, Megan and Hattie had it for our Christmas and it was great. You're going to have to try some of that corn roast, Dad, because it does taste really good. What to taste? Oh yeah, I've got this. Yum.
Do you know rapeseed oil?
Spiced orange cake. Yeah, that'll be nice when I fancy it. I feel really sick. I completely forgot to say when we got back from Tesco, I actually bought this because basically I saw on Mrs. Hinch's or Miss Hinch's Instagram, she had like a really fluffy like hoodie thing, like cozy thing from Tesco. So I was like, oh my god, I want to look in the Tesco clothing section. This like fluffy, cozy. This is just, I don't know what you'd call this, just like a little fluffy top thing.
Snood. In
the sale for £12. £12. It's long sleeved, it's all furry, it's so soft, isn't it? Aidan probably won't say, but it's super cozy. Like I'd wear this, I could actually wear this out if I like tucked it into jeans or something. And I don't know, I just love all this like fluffy faux fur shit. It's just so cozy and cute. We're just about to go to bed. I didn't realise how late it was. We were going to watch The Holiday because I've never actually watched it before. But I think we'll just leave that maybe for when we have our Christmas. Anyway, we're going to go to bed. Tomorrow I'm going to do like a whole study with me day because I'm on my own. Aidan's leaving me. Yeah, I'm going to do a whole study with me. So if you want some motivation over the Christmas period, then make sure to stay around for tomorrow's vlog. Hopefully I'll get a lot of work done like I'm planning to in my head, but who knows, we'll see. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's vlog, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a Studymas video. Merry Studymas.
Merry
Christmas! Oh, oh, oh.